When we look at the left side, we had a C check with roughly 7,000 man-hours of work, which we usually would have done in something like 23 days, and we finished it in 20 days. And it was just on low whip. There was no concerto running, there was no buffer management, it was just low whip. So it's a 50% increase in cycle time reduction already. Then on a second one, we started with concerto, and our gains become better as well. So the second one had a reduction in cycle time of 2.5 days, which is in cycle time reduction of 18%.
Here are our results. So the red line is the summer of 2011. So we spent the end of 2010 and the spring of 2011 getting these new processes in place and getting everybody lined up and ready to go, and delivered far better performance. So whereas we had 29 cancellations in the summer of 2010, we averaged 11.2 per day, a 62% decrease in the summer of 2011. Our goal was 8 per day. We've got some more work to go, and we think we know how to do that. This was really driven by 17% fewer AOS events. So again, I would attribute that to the fact that you don't have airplanes expiring out there. You don't have known routine maintenance running out of time and sort of dropping on you when you least expect it. And then the entire solution gave us 21% fewer AOS hours. And that's really a combination of both the planning, the cleaning, as well as the materials solution, having more parts available in more stations. So just phenomenal results.
Efficiency. We reduced our overclocking this year by 45,000 hours against the standard. That was almost a 20% reduction in overclocking in 1 year. Largest single decrease in 1 year that we've ever had. So our efficiency was significantly increased this past year. And then our throughput went up 20%. We're excited about it. We're seeing the gains that we thought. And the culture, people are starting to get aboard. They're seeing this is what we need to do. So all that, we're projecting right now that we're operating about $18 an hour lower than we were last year effectively.